Hi everybody, I'm Cutest Patoot. I'm going to show you how I took this and this to give you a poster. Now, what do I mean selfie as the core medium here? This selfie is a basic front-facing selfie. You know what? I'm not editing that out. It's flavor. Okay, this was post-shower, so it was wet. It was not a photo shoot. It was just a selfie in shit bathroom lighting, weirdly high contrast. No real facial expression, nothing. Just resting the face, resting the vibes. So we took that, and what do we have? Apart from my own mug, I have Procreate. I've had the same song on repeat for 5 days, and that's it. And that's what we have to work with here. So when we get started, I first took a bunch of picked colors that I put together. I was like, okay, this is like a palette. This is the vibe. I had made the picture black and white in the photo editor, like the one in your phone. And then I just I cut off the hoodie because I didn't want anything but to actually use my face. No clothes, nothing. And you can see me kind of experimenting with color. I ended up using the clip mask and making a different layer for the blends above each of the cutouts of my face. And I was just kind of like playing with what it would look like. I wasn't really sure the one with a slight side profile was going to fit, as you can see me like experimenting. And I was just going to mess around with it, just play with it, what fits, what doesn't fit. In between, when it was just the three, it gave me little TLC vibes, which was tight. And then Don't Recognize Myself, My Face, My Name are lyrics from I'll Never Be the Same from Gabrielle Aplin, which has been on repeat. I played around with the font back and forth, and that's how we ended up with this poster in the end. And it was just kind of like an organic process using my face, and currently the reason it's still showing you this is because if you pay really close attention, you can see me sign it like 8 times. And this is the final poster that we came up with. And this challenge is something that's based on like how I approach art in general. When I initially became like an urban photographer like a decade ago, I challenged myself to only shoot on my iPhone 4. And I thought, if I am really a good photographer, then I can work with any medium and I can work with any restrictions to create something special. And that was the thought process I had behind restricting my materials, sometimes as like a creative challenge. Sometimes it helps me get out of a rut. Sometimes it's just a way to hone my skills. Like this helped me hone my Procreate skills. I'm still pretty new to Procreate. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. I would love to see how you guys take like a quote unquote shit selfie and make it into art, or, stick around also for like the other prompts and other challenges that I have coming up. I'm really excited I got to share this with you guys, and I'm glad you guys watched. So thanks for watching, and make sure to click the little notification and subscribe button. Bye.